Hello, so this lecture is going to be about the actual chemical composition of your hair, right? So, in order for us to have stuff, that stuff has to be made of something, and that something is chemicals, okay? So, first, this word is a very important term that you need to know. It is called keratinization, and it's a process by which newly formed cells in the hair bulb mature, fill up with keratin, which is a protein, move upward, lose their nucleus, and die, right? So we know that this hair down here is dead, okay? I will also link this video to your note slide. It does a really nice job of explaining the hair cycle. So 90% of your hair is protein, okay? And protein is made up of what we refer to as the Cones elements, okay? Cones stands for carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, and sulfur. In order to create proteins in our bodies, we need these Cones elements in order to create those proteins. Okay, I have a couple of more glossary terms for you. So we have amino acids. So there are 20 amino acids, okay? And I have them all shown right here. You don't need to have memorized the 20 amino acids, but you do need to have an idea of what they are. Okay, so amino acids are units that are held together by strong peptide bonds to form polypeptide chains that will then make up proteins, okay? So the amino acid is the foundation, the building block, the Lego have you for proteins in your hair and in your body in general. So in the amino acid definition, it talks about peptide bonds, okay? A peptide bond is a chemical bond that joins amino acids together, okay? So you can kind of see what's happening here. So this is an amino acid, and this is an amino acid. And you'll notice that they have a similar front and a similar back. So what ends up happening is the front of this amino acid donates a hydrogen, where the back of this amino acid provides an OH, and then we create water, and then you have a link here, which is polypeptide, okay? So an amino acid is singular, poly means many, which is exactly where we're going from here. So a polypeptide chain is a long chain of amino acids linked by peptide bonds. So you'll see a peptide bond here, 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 and here. So this is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 amino acids all linked together by polypeptides or by the peptide bonds. So poly, like I said before, means many. So we start amino acids, peptide bond, polypeptide, and then the polypeptides come together. So I will have like 2 strings of long polypeptides. They will come together and coil with each other or lay on top of each other to create proteins. Okay, and proteins are long, coiled, complex polypeptides that are made of amino acids, right? So you start with the amino acids make the polypeptide chain makes the proteins. That's all I got. Thank you.